So, how do we stand? About like this. My feet are just a little bit wider than my shoulders. My knees are bent to avoid locking up and fainting like in the wedding videos on YouTube. My hands are at my sides, just resting, almost as if I have some weights in my hands. My shoulders are back, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I am taking up space even when I'm just standing. This is your anchor position to come back to. You want to be comfortable, but most importantly, you want to look strong. So think about this. Every time you use your hands, you gesture, you come back to your resting position. If I were to walk around and come back, resting position. If I were to make a mistake, sometimes when we make mistakes, our body tends to kind of cringe a little bit. Push it out. Be strong, be proud. You're a presenter. You can do this. Your body has to tell your mind how you feel. A simple power stance like this does it every time. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.